going to be recreating some Anthropologie earrings that are, I kid you not, $120. Now, I love Anthropologie. Like, I love Anthropologie. I love to be in Anthropologie. I love the smell of Anthropologie. Always got cute clothes. They've got cute decor. But girl, it is expensive. And I see these earrings. They're these big cherry blossoms. They've got pearls hanging down. They are $120. What? So I decided to make my own. Let's get started. To make these earrings, you're gonna need some flowers, 4 pearl beads, 4 head pins, 2 earring backings, 2 large gold bead caps, 2 smaller bead caps. My earrings used about 3 inches of chain. Take your head pin and stick it through your first pearl. Cut off the excess wire with some wire cutters. Make a loop with the end of the wire, but don't close the loop all the way yet. Stick one end of the chain through the loop and then close it up. Next step is almost exactly the same, except we're gonna add one of the small bead caps onto the head pin first before the pearl. There we go. Again, cut off the extra wire with wire cutters, and then make a loop, but don't close it. Stick the open end of the chain onto the loop of the second pearl. And then close it up. I'm gonna take the larger bead cap and super glue the bead into the center. You could just stick on a backing and call it a day. Remove one of the flowers from the bunch, take off the backing, take off the plastic center section, and there you go. You'll need about 3 petals per earring, so you'll need 6 petals total. Please tell me I am not out of super glue. Just a little more. I'm not going to stick the backing in the very center of the petal. I'm actually going to stick it towards the middle of one of the petals. Looks a little bit more natural on your ear when it starts a little bit lower. It does stain through a little bit, but we're going to cover that with other petals, so it's okay. I'm super gluing the second petal in the center of the first petal. One more petal. Super glue your big bead cap onto your earring so that the chain is hanging straight down. Now you just have to do that one more time. And we're done. Piercing hole closed. Okay. What do you think? What do you think? Dude, I think they turned out really cute. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and become a subscriber so that you can see what I cook up next. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.